So guess what's happening right now? We got a smoke detector beep. We just replaced over there. Now we believe this one's giving us an annoying beepy. I better get this on the charge before it dies again. Can we watch the video?
Now one thing I should do is if I'm going to replace this one, I'm going to get a brand new battery.
Okay. Quick flash of the smoke detector. That's what the back of this kitty looks like. And this area closed. This area closed for open. I'll get push test button. Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Try to keep it a little lower.
Yeah.
Carbon monoxide, come on.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Beep, 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 beep. You done? Think. Nope, there it goes.
What? Open the sky. Go. Be careful not to push the center button and make the thing go off.
Yep, I hear you.
Because that would be annoying when we start hearing burp, burp, burp. Okay, here goes fire. Now hopefully we don't hear another one of these. So we just replaced that one down there, which I'll show you in a minute. And this one starts beeping. What, the one in my room gonna start beeping over there? Luckily that one doesn't talk. Which means the test isn't gonna be as annoying. Well, almost all. I'm just going to show you what the other smoke detector looks like. So we just replaced that one right there.
No, just tap it. No, tap it.